Done! And welcome to the cooking show with Anna!
Well, today I wanted to show you something very special that Anna made for me. It's an apron that says Anna Jacobs #1 cook. There's little swirlies on it. Very interesting. I'm going to wear it today for the show. It was made by one of my adoring fans, Alicia Cole. Hi Alicia, if you're out there. And so, and we love you, Alicia. Thanks for being such a supporting fan. And then we wanted to show you some of our #1 sponsors, the Jonas Brothers. Nick, Joe, and Kevin. They all sponsor us in a very good way. They give us money. And the other, well, I talked to them the other day. We're pretty good friends, and it's pretty cool. But then these are some pictures I took of them when we were on a trip one time. I'm not in any of them because they don't like me in their pictures, but that's okay. Well, anyway, if you'll notice everything today, today's going to be Imaginary Day with cooking. Have you ever seen Peter Pan? Well, it's going to be a lot like Peter Pan. So, today we have Imaginary Juicy Juice, Strawberry Kiwi, Berry Blast Mike and Ice. Not very imaginary, but that's okay. Sierra Mist, and Lemonade. And then, for our garnish, we're going to put half a candy cane. Well, let's get started. Oh, and my Easy Bake Oven. I love my Easy Bake Oven. Oh! Compartments. It's very cool. Like,
I want to have your brownie! Oh!
This is a cooling compartment. Very interesting. No. I'm sorry, I'm confused. This is a warming compartment. It doesn't cook it, but it warms up your cold food. Then if you just slide in food through here, then you let it out here. Yummy food. Let's get started. So first, take our juicy juice. As much juicy juice as you want. Oh, full out front. As much juicy juice as you want. Then for Mike and Ike's. Mike and Ike's aren't very imaginary today. There's going to be a little bit of Mike and Ike's in there. Some real stuff. Alright. Mike and Ike's. Some Sierra Mist. Okay. And then lemonade. A little bit left in there, I see. And then we are going to set our Easy Bake to 7 minutes. And then start. And then we set this in here. Yep, it's a very helpful thing. Now we just sit here and wait for about 7 minutes, and I'll show you some very yummy cookbooks I have, with some recommendations. But low fat, low cholesterol, my dad's favorite cookbook. I cook for him a lot because he needs to keep on the low fat thing. Then the Baking Bible. My very first cookbook when I was 13, I got it. It's a long time ago. But you know what? I love it anyway. It has many yummy things in it. Yeah. So the Baking Bible. And then Kids' Favorite Made Healthy. It's a very yummy. It has many different things you can make to kids, which I'm not. Kids that like and it's very healthy. Low sugar, low fat, low calories. It's perfect.
Low everything.
And yeah, low everything pretty much. But oh, and if you want an easy bake oven, I recommend get the real meal. Real meal. It does a lot for a person. I mean, I've made the macaroni. It's delicious. I've made. Oh, what else have I made? Oh, I made the pizzas. I made the brownies. I made the cookies. But all fabo. Well, you know what? It hasn't been 7 minutes, but I don't care. I want to try this and garnish it and make it all yellow with it. A little bit of spatula. And Rachel Ray, this is going to be way past your little yummo and spoonulas and EVOO words. This is going to be fantabulous, fantastic. Ooh, beat that, Rachel Ray. Now for our garnish. No, I'm going to try it. Very interesting flavor. It is very berry-ish. I can definitely taste the lemonade. Oh! And then there's a spritz from the Sprite, or the Sierra Mist. And you can still taste the strawberry kiwi juice. It's very yummy. Very chewy. You know, I forgot to show you my big pot. I love my big pot. I do lots of fun stuff with it. And hello. You can get echo. It's very useful for a hat.
Can I have your pot? Oh, I love it so much!
Oh, no. Oh. Well, I think that's all for today, kids. And see you next time on Cooking with Anna. Bye-bye now.